Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make everything wine. Start by choosing a base wine, adjust sweetness, and add complementary flavors like fruit, spices, or herbs. Keep infusion temperatures low and taste, often to avoid overpowering the wine. Use a neutral sweetener and a small acid boost if needed to keep balance. Finish with a brief rest for flavors to marry and serve chilled or warmed as appropriate for the mix. Pick a base wine that supports the flavors you plan to add. Delicate fruits suit a light white while dark berries match a fuller red. If you want more body, consider a fortified option for higher alcohol and deeper taste. Never use wine you would not sip on its own, and avoid low-quality cooking wines that mask true flavor. Keep a small test batch to refine balance before scaling to larger quantities. Layer flavors intentionally by macerating fruit with sugar to extract juice, then combine that concentrate with your chosen wine. For spices, warm gently between 120 degrees F and 140 degrees F, steep briefly, and strain to avoid bitterness. Add fresh herbs late in the process to keep their aromatic lift, and consider using dried versions for longer, subtler notes. Always taste between a
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.